Look at my wonderful weather. You see that? Now I gotta make some sweet. Can you guess what it is? Look at that. I got in some butter, some sugar, some brown sugar. I have all of my nice ingredients in there. Flour. And just check the recipe at the bottom. Can you guess what it is? Ooh, can you guess what it is? Keep it going and scrape the sides until you see this. See that? Everything's stirred in. And now we're ready to add it to the pan. Now, it's gonna look a little dry when you do it, but I guarantee you this bread is gonna be moist. I just told you what it was, but I didn't tell you what kind of bread it was. It is definitely a sweet bread. Okay, get it in there, bang it, bang it, bang it, and put it in the oven. Nice and solid. Check the details below. That's the makings of a good frosting. Now I'm gonna blend him up. Okay, so there we got our own frosting for the top of this bread. You gotta wait until this thing cools off about an hour, hour and a half. And then if you really want it really outstanding, put it in the refrigerator. Just lightly put it in a cake plate or something. Put it in the refrigerator and let it sit overnight, and it'll be nice, thick consistency. Otherwise, if you can't wait, go ahead and cut into it. But wait at least an hour and a half, because you don't want it to be too soft where you put the frosting on it and it melts right through, unless maybe you do. When I serve these up to people, I leave them in the, I leave the frosting separately, and I let them frost it themselves. And there you go. Ah, yes. Look at the little flecks in there. You see the little cinnamon, little swirl. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut a couple slices. There's one. It's still a little warm, so like I said, try not to cut it unless you absolutely can't stand it until it's completely cool. So if you see here, my knuckles is rusty, but if you see here, we got some nice cuts here, and it's nice and moist on the inside. So I'm gonna let my crew check it out. Okay guys, come taste a piece, see what you think.
Kinda hard to get. Bro, I'm messing up.
Yeah, calm down. It ain't gonna go nowhere. It's falling apart, that's how moist it is.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
You like it? Oh wow. It's melting in your mouth. Oh yes. It's like a holiday.